Did we stall her?
Yeah, because I let go of the gas.
Holy fuck.
Forgot the clutch, let go of the gas because I shit my pants.
Okay.
Easy. Parker, go back a bit.
Don't worry, that was just the jack.
Alright, Andrew, keep your eye on that rock.
You're good.
My arm is not a gimbal. Jesus.
That was pretty good. That was better than the first time.
Yeah, that was way better than the first time. Parker is titless. Oh my god, it just drops right off. I'm sorry for how shaky this is. Whoever watches this and gets motion sickness.
The experiments.
Holy Jesus Christ. Back to civilization. Shit split as a. Oh, badonk-a-donk. We're still in 4-wheel drive.
Yeah.
Okay.
I wonder if there's any mud on the side of it.
Probably.
Sprayed.
There's definitely some sprayage back here.
Is there?
Yeah.
Well, that was a good rip.
Yeah, that was fun.
Someone's watching us. She's watching. Now she's hiding.
Yeah.
She's like, oh shit, they see me. She's way better.
Give him a little flash in the headlights. Ding ding. What's up?
Man, this 8x zoom is not liking it. That is
really?
extremely creepy. Why is she watching us like that? She's coming out.
She's still watching.
Yeah, she is still watching.
I'm just gonna give her a wave and do it.
Watch, I'll flash the fog lights at her.
Do it. Yeah, do it twice. Oh, did she move?
Did she?
Oh, here she goes.
Do it twice.
Woo. Yep.
Slippery. Why is she fucking standing there like that? Alright, well, that was caught on camera forever. Oh, wind noise. Well, jeeping in the night.
Beep, beep, mean Jeep.
It's fun.